Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, I haven't posted for a while. I've been on a little video hiatus. I haven't had much to film since it's been the winter here in Minnesota. But finally, spring has sprung and I finally did some stuff to the car. So as you can see, I did put these summer wheels back on, which you'll see in the short little time lapse I made coming up. But I also got a new exhaust. So what I got was a AWE tracked exhaust. So that has no valves. It doesn't use the factory valves at all. So you do lose that. You lose that valve functionality that you had with the stock exhaust, with the track exhaust. But I got it used, so I didn't really have much of a choice. But so far driving it, the drone is no worse than what I had when I had the resonator delete with my stock exhaust and I had my valves coated open. So I love it so far. Drone isn't too bad for me personally anyway. Some people might feel differently. So I didn't make an install video. These exhausts are pretty dang simple to install. Just a few bolts, some clamps, and that's pretty much it. Just have a buddy help you hold it up when you got to bolt stuff back together. But so I will insert a time lapse of me doing that right now. And so far my initial impressions of this exhaust are, I love it. It's pretty throaty, pretty growly. It doesn't sound like your typical 4-banger exhaust, so it's got a good noise. Also the DSG pops or DSG farts are super loud under heavy throttle above like 4,000 or 5,000 RPM. They're pretty dang loud, which is awesome. I like it. But yeah, and also the tips look great. By the way, these are the 102mm chrome tips, and I just love the look of these things. Make the back end look way more aggressive. So I will insert some clips of the before with my stock exhaust, my resonator delete exhaust, and this exhaust, so you guys can kind of compare for yourselves and see if changing your exhaust is something you like to do, or even if not, getting a full cap back or just doing the resonator. Hopefully this video helps you out. So yeah, I love it so far. I believe I paid about $700 for this exhaust, and it was less than a year old, and it's in perfect condition. I got brand new tips on it. So yeah, for 700 bucks, this exhaust was a steal, and I'm really happy with the purchase. I believe the exhaust brand new is about $1,500 or $1,600. Now, is that worth it to me? I don't know. I haven't had the exhaust quite long enough to make that call. It is a lot for an exhaust, but if you can get it for under $1,000, it's a no-brainer in my opinion if you're looking for a better noise than the stock exhaust. So I'll put some of those clips in now, and hopefully it helps you out, and I'll see you in the next one.